Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Collect the prismatic core, the threaded shaft, and the calibrator module. These are non-negotiable. Once you have them, fast travel to the only way forge or hike to its marked entrance. Make sure to activate the site node first. Equip a torque wrench, micro solderer, and a heat shield rated to 450 degrees. These tools prevent stripping and thermal warping. Start by seating the threaded shaft loosely into the core, so you can align threads precisely before any solder or pressure is applied. Now focus on the core procedure. First, verify thread pitch with a gauge, confirm 25 mm or the specified pitch, because mispitch ruins the spike. Once matched, loosely engage threads, then tack solder at one point to lock alignment. This prevents cross-threading. Apply micro solder in 3 stages, tack, inspect, full bond under 5 amps to control thermal stress. After bonding, connect the calibrator module and tune prismatic resonance until the indicator turns stable. Finish the assembly by trimming excess solder and filing any thread relief. Make sure threads run smooth. Apply final torque to spec, 12 Nm, and then run 5 stress cycles at 50% load while monitoring resonance for 10 minutes. This verifies structural and prismatic stability. If you detect binding or drift, stop immediately. Back off the joint, clean, re-lubricate with high-temperature paste, and realign before retorquing. This troubleshooting step prevents stripping and restores function without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.